beauties, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So today your girl is in town, and why? Because we're going to be doing a post shower routine. So I'm going to share with you guys what body butters I use or what lotion I use after the shower, and then I'm going to do a little bit of a facial care, the order in which I go post shower to moisturize and make sure everything is nice and smooth and well hydrated. If you missed my what's in my shower 2020 video, I will leave it above down below. If you missed the shower routine 2020, that'll be above down below. Make sure you check those out. Also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, take a moment to subscribe. I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 p.m. So make sure you turn on those post notifications so you don't miss an upload. Depending on what my skin needs, I will go and pick from my arsenal of products, and I will go ahead and show you guys a clip now of what is in my product or my body care arsenal. So I have body butters, I have oils, yeah, I have body butters and I have oils. So depending on, and I have lotion, but lately I haven't really been grabbing for lotion. So depending on what my skin feels like or what I've been really loving at the moment, I go ahead and I grab and I use. So today we're going to use the Ancient Cosmetics Creamy Coconut Body Butter. I got it, it's brand new. If you missed any of my Ancient Cosmetics reviews, I'll leave them above down below. So far they're one of my favorite body butters. Those bad boys are whipped to perfection. If you ain't never tried them, get your hand on one today. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're going to apply this body butter. Okay, so we're going to be using the Creamy Coconut by Ancient Cosmetics. I love their body butters. Their body butters are really smooth. This has, of course, no parabens, no sulfates, no gluten, no synthetic colors, no animal testing, and it has shea butter, cocoa butter, coconut oil, moringa oil, and fragrance. And it has a very nice, light scent of coconut to it. And this bad boy, oh my goodness. Look at that. It's nice and fluffy and airy. So I always begin at my legs and feet. I always start at the bottom and work my way up. The thing about their body butters is that they melt so smooth. Like they just melt like butter into the skin. Like they're really easy to melt into the skin. They're not overly greasy or anything, and they just leave you with a nice touch of like softness and glow. Glow just gives you a nice glow to the skin. And now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to moisturize the rest of my body, but off camera, of course. I'll be back. All right, so now I am fully moisturized. I do moisturize my body, my full body every day. I don't miss a beat. I also do have some like advice like for if you're not able to shower, or if you don't have time to moisturize. Sometimes we're running out the door, and so I do have a little bit of an in shower tip, which I will share that for you guys in a later video, to moisturize in shower so that you can get out, put on your clothes and go, and your skin still has moisture and it's not dry. So I will share that in another video, but it is important that I moisturize from head to toe every day. To have your skin looking your best, moisturize every day. Don't miss a beat. Keep that skin hydrated and support the health of it just by putting some butters, oils on it, okay? So for my bikini area, you guys know I love the Souvenir oil, but I am currently all out of their oil and their exfoliator, so I just made my own mix. It's coconut oil, what else is in here? Almond oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, tea tree, and lavender. It's a nice little mix, so I made my own, and I apply this to my bikini line as well as my underarms. What I like about this mix is that because I wax my bikini and my underarms, this mix has tea tree in it, which is great for fighting ingrowns. And it has lavender, which is soothing, and coconut oil, especially for my underarms, is a great way to keep away any scent or any bacteria. So I just apply a little bit of that under my arms and on my bikini line. Also, another key thing, if I have time, I don't get dressed immediately. I will apply my body butter or my oil of choice, and then I will let that sit for some time, especially when I jump into my facial routine. I will let that just marinate, wear a towel, let it marinate, okay, into the skin, and then I will get dressed, because it makes no sense to put on your moisturizer, especially butters and oils, and then put on clothes and the clothes just seep it up, okay? A lot of times I get that question from women, like, how do you use shea butter and it doesn't get all over your clothes? First of all, a little bit of it goes a long way. Secondly, let that bad boy seep in. Give it a few minutes while you do your hair, your makeup, or whatever, and then get dressed. So for deodorant, I don't know if this is really considered a part of the post shower, but it is a part of the post shower. So I use Daukens Aroma Paste deodorant. I love this stuff. I still have a whole jar left, and I've had this for a while. A little bit of it goes a long way. I do use a popsicle stick to apply it because I don't like digging my nails into the product. And then I just take the popsicle stick and I just apply it onto the skin, and it melts right into the skin like butter. You don't need a lot. I kind of put a lot, but it's okay. This stuff is very forgiving, so even if you use a lot, it's not gonna like be weird underneath the arm or cake up. It just really like meshes right into the underarm, okay? And that's pretty much it. So now that the body is soaking up all of the lovely oils or the lovely body butter that I put on it, and my underarms are, you know, taking up the deodorant, I'm just gonna let my skin suck up everything. We are now going to jump into my facial routine. So for my facial routine post shower, I just do what I would do any other time. There are some new products that I have been trying, of course, that you guys have seen here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab what I want to put on my face today. So usually that consists of like a witch hazel of some sort, moisturizer, and an eye cream, and that's pretty much it. So that's what we're going to be using. So first thing first, I always prep my skin with some type of witch hazel or some type of like astringent. So I'm going to be using these Dr. Zenovia's glycolic pads. I have a full review on them, and y'all, these are my favorite. I see myself grabbing these like every freaking day. Then I'm going to go in with eye cream of choice. So I'm going to be using the Cheer Up by Pharmacy. I also have a full review on this, as well as I've really been just using up the eye creams that I have. And honestly, I'm starting to like eye creams more. You guys know, I think they're a bit gimmicky. I don't really believe in them as much, but you know, I'm starting to really get into these eye creams. They make my under eyes feel really well and really good. And it's just a little extra pampering step that I like. I'm like, will I spend the money on them? No, but you know, when I get them in like little boxes or from companies, they are great to have in my arsenal. We're going to use some moisturizer. We're going to jump into we're going to use the Dr. Zenovia's Clear Complexion Aloe Vera face cream. I'm going to use 2 pumps, and I'm going to apply that to face. All right, so now that we are hydrated after shower, the face is taken care of, the skin is taken care of, and that is it. That is my post shower prepping of the skin. I think that in the shower, yeah, you cleanse, but it's also very important what you do when you get out of the shower, as far as like keeping your skin, giving your skin some moisture, some nutrients, you know, to keep that glow and keep it looking its best. All products that I use in this video will be down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. This is your girl EuniyceMari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you in a later video.